explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 20 of grammar, and the name of our chapter is conjunctions, right? So what are these conjunctions? Let me tell you very quickly. So the conjunctions are basically the words that are used to join the two words, the two group of words, or the two sentences, right? Because they are used to join many more things, they are actually known as the joining words also, right? So let us read the chapter and get more clear thoughts about these conjunctions. Look at the pictures and read the sentences given below. तो जल्दी से इन पिक्चर्स को देखते हैं और सेंटेंसेस को पढ़ते हैं जो कि नीचे दिए गए हैं, राइट? Vyan took money. Mom knows it. Mom knows that Vyan took money. It is raining. Vimal cannot go out. It is raining and Vimal cannot go out. Mr. Hussain is tall. Mr. Khan is short. Mr. Hussain is tall, but Mr. Khan is short. Gary is sad. Gary is sad. He is late to school. Gary is sad because he is late to school. I ran fast. I got tired. I ran fast and got tired, right? So the highlighted words are special words as they join words and sentences. तो यहाँ पर जो highlighted words है वो सभी special words हैं क्योंकि ये words और sentences को join करते हैं, right? These words are conjunctions. तो इन words को हम इसीलिए conjunctions कहते हैं, right? Next we have the grammar fact. So let's see. Conjunctions are words that work like glue. तो conjunctions कुछ ऐसे words हैं जो कि बिल्कुल glue की तरह काम करते हैं. They stick the sentences together. ये actually sentences को एक साथ join करके रखते हैं, right? Next, moving ahead. So, now they're telling us that a conjunction is a word that is used to join words, groups of words, or two sentences. So as I told you कि conjunction एक ऐसा word है जो कि यूज किया जाता है कुछ words, group of words या फिर दो sentences को join करने के लिए. The most commonly used conjunctions are and, or, and but. तो कुछ commonly used conjunctions हैं जो कि है and, or, and but, right? Read the following examples. तो अब जल्दी से इन examples को पढ़ते हैं. She is talkative but intelligent. You must hurry or you will miss the train, right? So हमने देखा कि हमने इन conjunctions को ही यूज करके इन sentences को आपस में join किया हुआ है. Read the ways in which we use different conjunctions. तो अब जल्दी से इनको पढ़ते हैं जिनसे हम अलग अलग conjunctions के uses को जान सकते हैं, right? Join similar ideas and words. तो ये actually similar ideas और words को join करते हैं, right? Simmi ate a bread roll and drank some juice. Ravi and Neetu are siblings, right? Next, join different ideas. अगर हमें दो अलग अलग आइडियाज को ज्वाइन करना हो तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? Karan ate a sandwich, but Purva ate salad. I started early but got late. Next, join choices. तो अब अगर हमें choices को join करना हो तो do you play cricket or basketball? Do you like tea or coffee? Right? Tell about results. तो जब हमें results के बारे में बताना हो, the bell rang, so I ran into the classroom. He practiced hard, so he topped the exam. Right? Next, tell about causes. So जब हमें causes के बारे में बताना हो, right? I missed the bus because I woke up late. Rohit was happy because he scored good marks. Right? Now let's recall what all we read in the chapter. A conjunction is a word that is used to connect words, group of words or two sentences. तो कंजंक्शन एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो कि यूज किया जाता हो वर्ड्स, ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स या फिर दो सेंटेंसेस को आपस में कनेक्ट करने के लिए. सम कॉमन कंजंक्शंस आर एंड, और, बट, बिकॉज, दैट, सो, एटसेट्रा. तो कुछ कॉमन कंजंक्शंस है एंड, और, बट, because, that, I'm so, etc. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with these conjunctions. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.